Now I'm going to show you the other way to connect to the rotary laser through the detector. That way I have a full 1,000-foot radius and I can control this laser from the maximum range. First thing I'm going to want to do is turn my detector on, as well as my Bluetooth on the detector. Then I can go over to my laser and we'll power it on and select the detector button. Now it's important that the detector button is selected because that's how it's going to communicate with this unit here. Once I have that all set up, I can go over to my phone, select rotary laser, select the PLD, which is my detector, and you'll see after a little while that my rotary laser will pop up underneath that. Once I select that rotary laser, I now have back to my control panel and I can control this from its maximum distance.